Okay, so today I'll be doing the collaboration badge. Um, and for this badge, I will be using it in my online lesson module. Let me pull that up. And I'll use it in the explain section for Adolf Hitler's rise to power and FDR's impact slash involvement on World War II. And I'll be using the Jamboard, the Google Jamboard, for this. So basically, in my lesson module, the way I'll use this is I'll show this video right here, which will go to a screencast of this presentation. So I'll go through all this, and then students will then read all that, all these facts, and listen to what I had to say. And then once they'll take that information, we go back to the online lesson module. They'll go back here, they'll read this, and then they'll see that to add at least one question and one wonder to our class collaboration board, they'll click the link, and once they get here, they'll see one question you might have about Adolf Hitler, and we see a student put, "Why did Hitler hate Jewish people so badly?" And then there's another section that says one wonder you might have about Adolf Hitler. And like, for example, like a student said, "I wonder what would have happened if Hitler didn't rise to power." And like how the if World War II even would have been a thing. And then you click the arrow up here and see that actually let me rewind. So before we do that, you'll go back to the online lesson module, go to the next slide, then you'll watch this another screencast on FDR's impact and involvement on World War II, and that looks like this. So they'll go through these slides, and once they do that, they'll come back to the online lesson module, click this link to the Jamboard, and they will get, and then you'll see that there's two questions they can answer. So like for the first one, an example of a student's answer would be like, how did the public not find out FDR had a disability? Another one could be like, what was FDR's biggest impact on World War II? And I wonder if FDR would have asked Congress to enter World War II if Pearl Harbor never happened. Uh, so basically, Jamboard's a great way to get people to uh, write down their questions or their wonders, either anonymously or with a name. That way they don't feel judged for any questions they have, so they can feel comfortable to ask whatever they might need. But overall, I feel like this is a pretty helpful tool and resource, and I'll definitely use it in my online lesson module. And yeah, I feel like it's a great resource to be used. And I hope, and I'll definitely use it in my future teachings even after this lesson. But yeah, so that's it.